If you ever walked into Dollar Tree and couldn't picture how to put it all together, this one's for you. I'm going to take you shopping, take photos, and then show you exactly how to style it without spending a dime. Keep watching. Allow me to introduce you to Nano Banana, my favorite AI tool for turning inspiration into style designer looks. I take photos straight from the Dollar Tree shelves, drop them right in here, and it helps me see what's possible before I spend a single dollar. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? I hope that you are doing great. Today, we have something exciting and new. Guys, you are going to want to stick around. This video is full of exciting new techniques, new looks, just new everything. Wait. Nano Banana? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. It sounds like a smoothie, right? But it's not. It's my secret weapon. You're probably wondering what is a Nano Banana or what Nano Banana is, or maybe you've heard about it before. Nano Banana is an AI tool created by Google that helps you visualize creative ideas through photo or text prompts. For us, it's going to be a virtual decorator that turns your imaginations into visuals so you could see the vision before you start creating. So Nano Banana isn't some fancy app that you need a degree to use. It's basically Google's AI assistant. Now, I'm not a sponsor, but I love using Nano Banana. So what I'm doing is I'm taking photos of real life things in the Dollar Tree. But not nice photos. As you can see, these photos are just on the rack, background a mess, and just anywhere that I could find a space at the Dollar Tree, really. Then I take those pictures, I don't even have to clean them up, and I put them in Nano Banana and ask it and prompt it to do what I'm asking it to. I basically tell it what I want. It's basically having an AI assistant that helps you see the vision. Basically, you can take me holding this glass and put me at the Eiffel Tower smiling. Let's see what that looks like. But in all seriousness, guys, I was walking through Dollar Tree and I had this aha moment. I have seen Nano Banana before, and in my YouTube travels, I've seen Nano Banana before, and I was like, oh wow. So since I like to mix DIYs and styling within the digital space, I said, why not have a little fun and see if this works? So I went and I started to take things from the Dollar Tree and started to style them. I made space on some kind of, I made space on a shelf that they hadn't stocked yet. And I just start to take items and put them together. Pull items from here and pull items from there. Using AI is incredible. The ideas that spark from these items and images that you get. Like sometimes you'll type something in and something else will come about it, and you get another idea and another idea and another idea, and that's what I love about using this tool. But be careful, once you start playing, the ideas just keep coming. Here are a few more that completely changed how I looked at Dollar Tree and now how I shop. Although it's a little bit more time consuming, guys, I tell you, it's worth it. As you can see, this picture was on the grid with some random stuff behind it that didn't even go together. So yeah, look at this. I prompted Nano Banana to say, create a beautiful luxury rustic tablescape using these items in a table set for 4 people. Use basic candles and candle holders with modern clean wine or martini glasses with a cottage-like cabin decor in the background. And guys, look at this. There's even hurricane vases that were not in the original picture that we can use from the Dollar Tree. So this whole table could be made with Dollar Tree items. So if you ever walk into Dollar Tree and can't picture how to put it all together, don't worry. After today, you'll be able to see the vision, I promise. Now, this one, I just fell in love with this item. So I put together I saw this either at Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn. This big vase with the little candle holder bottom. And these candle holders that they have in the Dollar Tree are perfect for this. So I went ahead and I ran to the Dollar Tree and again put it against that ugly grid. That little grid table, and put the items together, put that item together to create one vase. It's so beautiful and so it is almost exactly like the Pottery Barn or the Crate and Barrel. I'm going to insert the picture so you guys can see it. But then I went ahead and I got the pictures of the lantern and the pictures of the pillar candles. And guys, look at this. I said, make this part of a gorgeous, luxurious, modern, minimalistic, festive decor in a beautiful beige, white, and gold, expensive-looking living room. Place candles, green decor with a Thanksgiving fall twist. Make the image the focus with a close-up view. Make the items the same size and scale. Sometimes with AI, you have to play with it a little bit because it will surely give you some wonky things. But you can fix it with the prompts and words. And if you keep at it with a little bit of patience, you will get the look. But guys, look at what this did. I couldn't believe how this made this look. So simple, so beautiful. And guys, they have those little pumpkins at Dollar Tree and they have the greenery. So what? Let's do this. Look at how beautiful this table looks. Then I styled it. I said, what if the room was black? I didn't want everything to be white and gold. So let's have a little fun and make it a little bit more festive. And look at what it did here. Again, with the white pumpkins, with the black background, with a mirror. It's a beautiful setting. But look at how beautiful this could look with some fairy lights attached around it. It is just simply stunning. So then I pushed the limits of Nano Banana. And I put in 5 images. Now, 5 separate images with those Dollar Tree images. I didn't even stage these. And I put them in and I said, combine all of these items into one gorgeous decor piece for a beautiful mantle or tablescape in a luxurious room with white and black accents. Make it full and gorgeous. Guys, look at what this did. I can't even believe those are the same flowers. Look at how beautiful that looks. That is amazing how it made this look. I would never believe in a million years that this all came from the Dollar Tree. From these little pictures that I took while still on the shelves. I didn't even stage this. And this is how this came out. The possibilities with this are truly endless, and I am so happy that I am able to bring this to you and show you how to do this. Once I have the vision in my head, even though the prices might not match perfectly, I go into Nano Banana and see what I can get within my budget. Although it does take a little bit more time, in these times, if we can save a little money and really hit our vision without buying everything at Dollar Tree and seeing what sticks, I think that's a good idea. It doesn't automatically come to me when I'm going through those aisles. I really have to go up and down those aisles and look at every single thing. Literally, guys, I can spend hours inside the Dollar Tree, as I'm sure a lot of you can relate. So I said, oh, let me see if I can use this space sort of like a table. And that's what I did. So you see me here like a mad scientist putting all kinds of concoctions together, and it just went right back. Went right back into the glassware aisle and continued the party there. So let's take a few pictures of these items together so that we can build the look virtually. I promise you're gonna see what I see. I start mentally pairing things, playing with textures, colors, and shapes. Sometimes it's not even about these exact items. It's about finding a vibe or a palette, a sparkle, a full design idea. Now, let's talk about the white plates. Now, you see what I did here on the ugly grid, right? It even had some random stuff around it. I got the white plates together, and this time I used the gold charger that they have. And I took this photo. Make this part of a gorgeous, luxurious, modern minimalist, festive tablescape for 6 people in a beautiful black and white, expensive looking dining room. Guys, look at what this did with those white plates. What? So let's talk about the little raccoon plate that we are all like fawning over. And yeah, but I love it. I pass by it all the time and I don't know what to do with it. I just think it's so super cute, but somebody somewhere wants these plates but don't know what to do with them. So Dollar Tree also has these black and white plates that are absolutely gorgeous. So I went ahead and I put the two plates together on the ugly grid with it was still on the shelf where they came. I had some random things behind it. I didn't even have the whole picture. I just took a little bit of this picture. Guys, stop it. Look at what this did. This looks like $1,000,000. But what I love about this picture, even though it didn't give me the setting for 6 people, I don't think that's okay. It's forgiven because look at what this did. I know sometimes looking at these items gets boring, so we kind of like pass them by. But what if we just took these basic items and just arranged them? I know this is a little bit different than the DIY that you normally see me do, but I thought that this would be good because not everybody has the DIY desire. Some people just like to style, some people just like to watch. So I hope that you are enjoying this content, and if you are, my name is Maria. I go by Talented Latina. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe, and please guys send me those comments. I would like to know what you think of this new way of designing your space. This next item is a glass and a candle holder. Dollar Tree has these cute little candle holders. Oh man, I ran to the store and they didn't have it at my Dollar Tree. And then I went to another Dollar Tree and they had them, and I had to buy these. And I bought the glasses. These are the textured glasses that are a little bit tall in the glassware section, in the drinking section. And I said, oh wow, that would be pretty to put them together, because I had seen something different, a Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn. So I went ahead and I stacked them together. They're not glued together in this picture at the Dollar Tree, obviously. So I took a picture of the ugly grid, the ugly grid background. And this is what I put into Nano Banana. Make 2 of these side by side in order on a beautiful dinner table set for 4 people with candles inside for a gorgeous decor statement. Decorate the table with all white plates and small pumpkins. Make the room glam colors, gold and white with greenery. Make the 2 items the focal point and give a close-up view. And guys, look at what this did. This looks like, I would never ever believe in a million years that all of these elements came from Dollar Tree, down to the little white pumpkins that they have. And if you didn't want it for a tablescape, if you just wanted it for a coffee table, look how beautiful it looks on a coffee table. And look at that gold tray back there. I've seen that gold tray at Dollar Tree for a good $1.50. So the whole thing is Dollar Tree centric. It is so good. You can even get the little greenery from the Dollar Tree and a vase like that and paint it gold should you choose, and you have a beautiful modern table decor. This one I just had to show you. I'm going to show you 3 looks on how this item looked because it was so beautiful. Look at how simple and how elegant this looks if you placed 4 of them in a row on a simple table, on a simple coffee table. How gorgeous does that look? What I love about this process is that it changes how you see everything. It changes how you see shopping. It changes how you see your budget. It just changes everything. It breathes new life into the old. You start walking into Dollar Tree, and instead of seeing clutter, you see combinations, textures, tones, colors. It's totally like training your creative eye. You can totally recreate this with just 1 or 2 Dollar Tree runs. Using this tool definitely helps me bridge imagination and reality and budget. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. I believe if you can see the vision, then you can create it. I decided to bring it into the digital space so you can expand those visions and expand your creativity. And if you love videos like this on how to incorporate digital aspects into your creative space, be sure to subscribe because next and upcoming will be videos on how to actually make money and make this a business. So please subscribe so you don't miss out. So if you love this concept, comment, see the vision so I know to make this a full series. Let's start training our decorated eye $1 tree aisle at a time. Until the next one, guys. Peace.